everyone, welcome again to the online revision classes. In today's class I will be discussing the chapter The Order. ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಗೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ಲಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. I hope you all remember the story of The Order. The story talks about two major characters. One is Rufus Okeke. Full name is Rufus Okeke. He is called Ruf. And it also talks about Marcus eBay, right? Or Aibantanu pronounce ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. It's an African name. Now the story revolves around how Ruf was actually promoting or campaigning for Marcus, who was contesting for elections. He convinces the entire village to vote for Marcus. He offers 4 shillings. Shillings is their currency. So 4 shillings he offers so that people will vote for Marcus, but then he himself will take money from the opposition party. Avune berorinda ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ so that he will vote for the opposition. His attitude is, anyways entire village Marcus ಗೆ vote ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬ vote ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. This is his attitude. So he feels ನಾನು ಒಂದು vote ಇಂದ ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is why the title The Voter. It is talking about one person, one voter. The story is trying to tell you that every vote matters and how important it is to vote rightly. ವೋಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಷ್ಟೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ವೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸರಿಯಾದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ವೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದೆಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದರ್ ಆರ್ ಅಗೇನ್ 3 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್. ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ the villagers before second election. Okay, so when the story starts, Marcus is already a minister. When the election agide, ಇವಗಿನ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. It has become independent recently and they have conducted the first election. Marcus has already won and become a leader. So this is the second election. But before the second election there is some change in the attitude of the people. ಯಾಕೆ ಏನದು change ಅನ್ನೋದು this question. So the answer is, villagers had 5 years to see how politics was beneficial to Marcus. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, in the 5 years before the election Marcus was something else, but after the election Marcus, his lifestyle changed, his power, he has become rich and more powerful. So villagers in the 5 years have seen how politics has benefited him. ನಮ್ಮ ಓಟಿಂದಾನೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ 5 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So what is the change in Marcus' life? Marcus was first an ordinary school teacher, okay, who was about to be dismissed. First of all, he was an ordinary school teacher. Adu olle teacher agidna? No, he was about to be dismissed because a female teacher complains against him. So he joins politics not to help the people, only because he wanted a job. ಎಂಗಿದ್ರು ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸೇರ್ಕೋತಾನೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ದೇಶ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ he was an ordinary teacher, but today he is chief the honorable. Okay, this is how he is addressed. ಬರೀ ಮಾರ್ಕಸ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಕರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. He is addressed as chief the honorable Marcus. So today his position is changed, his power is changed, his money also. He has 2 cars. He also builds a mansion. 2 ಕಾರ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ತಾನೆ. He calls it Umofia Mansion. The story takes place in the village of Umofia. So he names the mansion as Umofia, and once he builds the mansion he serves a feast for villagers. What does he do? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. He will call all the villagers. He will have a huge party and he will serve them a very delicious food. He will serve them a feast. ಹಬ್ಬದ ಊಟ ಹಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. That is when people will realize, ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ದುಡ್ಡಿದೆ. And how did he get the money? Because he is a minister. And how did he become a minister? Because of their vote. So because of all this, how an ordinary school teacher became chief the honorable, how he has become more powerful, how he has become rich. Why how do we know that he has become rich? Because he has 2 cars and a mansion. Okay, that is why villagers decide to vote but not for free. What is the change in attitude? He wished to, why did they change anta? This is talking about what was the change in attitude. Now ishtella admele the villages are not telling now inmele Marcus ge vote hakala. No, that is not their point. They have decided that we will vote for Marcus but not for free. ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಅವನು ದುಡ್ಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸೊ ಅವನಿಂದ ನಾವು ದುಡ್ಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಮನಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ರೇನೆ ಓಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಟು, ರೈಟ್? ಐಡಿಯಲಿ ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಬಾಯ್ಕಾಟ್ ಹಿಮ್. ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದಟ್ ನೀನು ಬರೀ ದುಡ್ಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಿದ್ಯಪ್ಪ, ನೀನು ಕೆಲಸನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೋಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ ದೇ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ವೋಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮನಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಲೇಜಸ್. ಒಂದೇನು, villagers had 5 years to see how politics benefited Marcus. He was once an ordinary school teacher, but today he has become rich and powerful, mainly because of his ministry, because of his position. Therefore, villagers will decide that they will vote for Marcus, but not for free. They will charge. Okay, this is the first question. What is the second question? Why was POP formed? Now what is POP? Progressive Organization Party. These can be for 1 mark. Marcus is party yadu? He was in PAP, that is People's Alliance Party. 1 mark ke kelbodu. POP is Progressive Organization Party. That is the party who is contesting against Marcus in the election. Now why was this formed is a question. This was formed by tribes. Tribes andre yaru? Karjana. You have to remember that Africans were basically tribals. Europeans hodmele alli culture change aitu bitre. Before the Europeans went to Africa, conquered Africa, it was a tribal community. So alliro tribals kadella seri they formed this POP. And why do they form? To save themselves from political, social and cultural annihilation. Annihilation means destruction. Okay, they felt that PAP party bandaginda there is no their culture is changing, their culture is being destroyed. Because if you see, when Marcus conducts a party, he hosts a party, Umofia mansion na katti party organize madadaga, he does everything in the Christian style. So these people feel that ello on kade our culture nasha agtide, our social conditions nasha agtide, even their politics is getting destroyed because of the westernization. Ellanu Europeans tarane ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ, Africanness ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಹಾಳಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. So in order to save themselves from the annihilation, from the destruction, they will start POP. Okay, now they know that they can't win. Marcus is so famous, so powerful that they know that they can't win against Marcus. Yaru first election alle ಗೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. This they very clearly know. But why do they contest in election? Because they will think, if not this election, next election allaru ಗೆಲ್ಲಬಹುದು. We have to start ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what do? They spend generously for election. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, so that people will know that there is a party called POP. If not this election, next election at least we will win. This is their argument. Okay, this is asked only once. Anyways, we will be prepared. Why was POP formed? POP was formed mainly by tribes. They formed this to save themselves from political, social and cultural annihilation. They know that they cannot win this election against Marcus. However, they are spending generously so that people will know there is a party called POP. What is POP? Progressive Organization Party. Okay. Now comes the third and last question, which is repeatedly asked for 6 marks. As I told, ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದ 4 marks ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಲ ಮಾತ್ರ, 6 marks ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. And what is that? How does Roof conceal his betrayal of Marcus? What is conceal? To cover up. What is betrayal? Mosa. Hege Roof on he cheats Marcus, right? He betrayed Marcus because he has taken money from the opposition party to vote for them. So how does he deal with it? How does he solve this issue? How he also feel guilty. ಕೊನೆ ದಿನ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಓಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, he feels guilty. So how does he handle the entire situation? How does he conceal his betrayal of Marcus? So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಡೀ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್, Roof was in charge of campaigning for Marcus, right? See, why is this important? ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರೋ ದುಡ್ಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಡಿಡ್. But why is it important for Roof? Because he was convincing everybody to vote for Marcus. Idi campaigning ಗೆ he was in charge. Marcus believed him extensively. He was almost like Marcus's right hand. So ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರೋ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನಮ್ಮೋರೇ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ that's very painful, right? So this point is important to establish the relation between Roof and Marcus. Roof was in charge of campaigning for Marcus. He convinced people to vote for Marcus. How much does he offer? 4 shillings. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ 4 shillings ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕಸ್ಗೆ ವೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Moreover, he also had favors from Marcus. Now it's not like only Roof was working for Marcus. Marcus ಇಂದನೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ we may talk about how he was treated. Roof was given full liberty to move around the house. He can take anything he wants. Marcus clothes ತಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿಯರ್ ಕುಡಿತಾನೆ. And once Marcus' wife will object, and Marcus will support Roof, he will scold the wife in front of everybody. So ಮಾರ್ಕಸ್ಗೆ ರೂಫ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೈಫ್ನ ಬೈತಾನೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ರೂಫ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ರೂಫ್. ಅಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕೇಸ್, ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಫಾರ್ ರೂಫ್, ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಮಾರ್ಕಸ್ ವೈಫ್, how he supports Roof and not the wife, and pending land case. This land case will be solved, will be in his favor. He will win the case only because he is related to Marcus. So it was a two-way relation. But then a person from POP will offer 5 pounds for Roof to vote for Madhuka. Madhuka is the person contesting from POP against Marcus. So one this ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the POP campaigner, he comes to Roof house and he says, I will offer you 5 pounds, you should vote for Madhuka. And what is Roof's reaction? ಅವನು ಏನು ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು? Ideally he should have told, I'm sorry, I work for Marcus, please get out, right? But he says, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ವಿಷಯ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ, nobody will get to know, right? So even without thinking twice, ದುಡ್ಡು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ, he will sell himself. He is ready to vote for Madhuka. So he takes 5 pounds from the opposition party to vote for Madhuka. He also swears on leave. the god E. As I told, they are tribals, so they have their own gods. So he will also swear on God that he will vote for Madhuka. On the day of election, he feels guilty. Alli tanka he is normal, he will campaign for Marcus. Even on the day of election, he is telling people to vote for Marcus. But when it is his turn to vote, ಇನ್ನೇನು ಅವನು vote ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, he feels guilty. So what does he do? He takes the ballot paper. He tears the ballot paper into two and vote for both. Okay, he tears the ballot paper and he votes for both. Please remember, this story was written in the initial days of elections, right? ಆವಾಗ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದು. ಈಗಿನ ತರ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಮಿಷನ್ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಪೇಪರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, now there were two boxes. One meant for Madhuka. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ they had the symbol of a human's head, and the other one was for Marcus. It had a symbol of car. All these can be 1 mark question. What was the symbol of Madhuka or what was the symbol of Marcus anta kelಬಹುದು. Now he goes inside, he takes the ballot paper, he puts one in each box. Arda paper na Marcus ge haktane, arda papers na Madhuka ge haktane, and he even tells, he puts first into the box meant for Madhuka, and he says I am voting for Madhuka. Yake he has phone on E. ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ದೇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಣೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ that he will vote for Madhuka. So he will first put it into the box meant for Madhuka, and he also tells that I am voting for Madhuka, as if God is stupid and he will believe. God ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ತರ. This is how we convince ourselves, right? ನಾವೇನೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ₹100 ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಪ್ಪು ಕಾಣಿಕೆ, as if God is waiting for our money. But that's the human psychology. So how does he deal? He tears the ballot paper into two, puts one each into the box meant for Madhuka and Marcus. He tells verbally that he is voting for Madhuka. But does that vote count? That vote will be disqualified. It is not even counted. But he tells himself that I am voting for both, I am voting right. So the story is talking about how an educated person like Ruth is not able to vote right. ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ರೂಫೇ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ವೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ಅನ್ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ಗಳು ವೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ದೇಶನ ನಡ್ಸಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ರಿಪೀಟ್, ಹೌ ಡಸ್ ರೂಫ್ ಕನ್ಸೀಲ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೇಯಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕಸ್? ರೂಫ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕಸ್. He convinces people to vote for Marcus. He offers 4 shillings. Moreover, he also received certain favors from Marcus. But then, when the opposite party offers him £5, he agrees to vote for Madhuka. He even swears on the god E. On the day of election, he feels guilty. So what does he do? He takes the ballot paper into 2 pieces and he votes for both Marcus and Madhuka. This is repeatedly asked for 6 marks. Okay, story ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, but you will have to be careful when you use words like Marcus, Madhuka, spellings correct ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, and campaign in charge, campaigning spelling correct ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Be careful when you are writing these words. I hope you have understood. As I always say, if you have any doubt, please ask it in the comment section.